Chapter 1, Introduction to X, Unlocking the Power of Social Media Marketing. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, social media platforms have become essential tools for businesses to connect with their audiences, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Among the myriad platforms available, X stands out as a dynamic and versatile platform that offers unique opportunities for businesses to grow and thrive. This chapter introduces the fundamentals of marketing on X, highlights its key features, and explains why it should be a cornerstone of your marketing strategy. Understanding X and its unique value. X is known for its concise communication style and real-time engagement. Unlike platforms that focus on long-form content or heavily curated visuals, X thrives on brevity and immediacy. Posts, traditionally limited to 280 characters, compel users to distill messages into impactful, digestible nuggets of information, ideal for businesses conveying their brand message succinctly. X's open nature fosters discovery, allowing users to connect beyond immediate networks. This makes it easier for businesses to engage with potential customers, collaborators, and influencers. By leveraging X's network, businesses can amplify their reach and participate in conversations relevant to their industry or niche. Why X matters for your business. X offers unparalleled opportunities to achieve a range of goals, including increasing brand awareness. Regularly posting engaging content ensures visibility among wider audiences. Engaging with audiences, real-time interactions build community trust. Establishing thought leadership, sharing insights and expert opinions positions your brand as an industry leader. Driving traffic and conversions, links and call to action posts guide followers to websites or product pages. Key features of X for marketing. To maximize X's potential, familiarize yourself with its essential tools. Threads, share detailed stories or guides by linking posts. Hashtags, increase visibility by using topic-specific tags. Trending topics, join trending conversations to expand your reach. Spaces, host live audio discussions or Q&As for deeper engagement. Advertising, use promoted posts and tailored campaigns to target specific audiences. Getting started on X. 1. Optimize your profile. Ensure your handle aligns with your brand. Use a professional profile picture and craft a concise bio with a link to your website. 2. Plan consistent content. Create a content calendar to maintain consistency. Mix promotional posts with industry news, user-generated content, and behind-the-scenes updates. 3. Engage authentically. Respond to comments and join discussions. Authentic interaction fosters trust and strengthens your brand reputation. 4. Monitor and adjust. Use X's analytics tools to track performance metrics like engagement and follower growth. Refine your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. X is more than a platform for updates. It's a powerful tool for building relationships, amplifying your message, and driving business growth. With its unique features and strategic opportunities, X can be a cornerstone of your marketing efforts. The following chapters will provide advanced strategies and real-world examples to help you master marketing on X and achieve your business objectives.